Well, hello. This is Irma once again with my note cards, and this is part 2 of my die stamp video. I really don't know what the title of this video will be, but in the previous video, part 1, and that link, it will be down below. You saw already, hopefully. If not, go back and see that video. My idea of creating your own DIY bundle set. Now, just to explain very briefly, remember that there are a lot of companies out there that have these bundle sets where it includes a stamp, image, then you take the die cut that comes with the stamp, you lay it over your image, you put it through your die cut machine, and you have beautiful, beautiful flowers, whatever. Sometimes they also surround a word. But I thought that, these things are kind of pricey, so I made my own, and I actually took some of my punches, and I demonstrated how I took my paper, and with the help of my punches, I was able to outline and cut some flowers. So here are some of my results. If you remember from my previous video, these were the flowers that I managed to cut with my punch. I very simply just, made my border kind of handmade, put my my sentiment, and I glued my flowers, and by hand I drew the stems and leaves. So they came out pretty good, I would say. Here is another one where I took my flowers and I just, before laying them and gluing them down on my paper, I kind of made my stitches, my stitching, and then glued the flowers themselves on to the card. And last but not least, this one, what I did with my flowers after I punched them, I, took them, glued them on a black strip of paper. I used a little bit of dimensional, not too high, a little bit of dimensional stickers, not stickers, you know what I mean, those little foamy things underneath, and I made my lines using my scoreboard, added my sentiment, and that was that. So I just wanted to briefly just make this video to let you know that, you don't need any fancy equipment. You can use what you have, and in using what you have, you can wind up making some really very nice and very inexpensive cards. I hope you like this video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.